All right, so welcome back. I'm gonna see if I can't get you guys hooked up here on the torque converter install. So this is the transmission here. Let's get a little closer. I'm getting so old that this is a pain in the ass. I had to pick this transmission up by myself, which wasn't fun. So let me get you guys repositioned here. All right, so this is a transmission. This is your input shaft here. This seal is installed. I don't ever really see too many mechanics greasing these before they, transmission guys, putting grease on these, they leave that up to you. So I have the torque converter ready. It's got about a quart of full synthetic transmission fluid in it. All right, so you always want to lube the shaft, okay, before insertion. All right, so we're going to get this. It's probably going to make a little bit of a mess. And you want to keep turning it until it gets into the pump. What up? I'm making videos and putting my transmission in. I told you I'm trying to get this done.
Sunday.
You're working Sunday too.
This is Sunday.
I know.
This is your time to be out.
Be out where?
Huh?
Be out where?
I see. You're making a video.
I'm making a video right now, and the torque converter does not want to go in. Oh,
Oh, you get that in there.
there we go. So you want to make sure it goes in 3 clicks. So if you don't have the torque converter below the mating surface, okay, so say if this is flat, if the torque converter is out here, you got a problem. You need to make sure it goes in all the way. That was 3 clicks, I think. Let's make sure. Oh, there's another one. So definitely want to make sure that this is all the way in the pump, because when you go to start this up and it's not in the pump, it's going to destroy the torque converter and your pump. So for some reason or another, that felt like 4 clicks, but I wasn't counting because we were doing a video. And Bruce is here, so Bruce is my main man. All right, thanks for watching.